Hello students, we'll solve a question from the chapter Carbon and its Compounds, NCERT exercise question 5. The question says, draw the electron dot structures for first ethanoic acid, second H2S and third propanone. So let us discuss the first part, which says we have to draw the electron dot structure for ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, which is also known as acetic acid, is CH3COOH. CH3COOH. It means that it has two carbon atoms which will be bonded together by a single bond. So this is the first carbon atom which will have 4 electrons in the outermost shell. This is the second carbon atom, again with 4 electrons in the outermost shell. The first carbon atom will be bonded with 3 hydrogen atom via single bond. So this is the first hydrogen atom with 1 electron in the outermost shell, and these are the other 2 hydrogen atoms with 1 electron in their outermost shells. The second carbon atom is bonded to oxygen via a double bond. So this is the first oxygen atom with 6 electrons in the outermost shell. This is the second oxygen atom with 6 electrons in the outermost shell. And this oxygen atom will be bonded to one hydrogen atom with 1 electron in the outermost shell. So each hydrogen atom will form a single bond with carbon or oxygen to complete its doublet. So like this. So each hydrogen atom is bonded via a single bond as it is sharing only 1 electron. Talking about the carbon atom, which is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms, so it will share 1 electron from all 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 electron with the adjacent carbon atom. So it will form a ring like this to complete its octet. Talking about the oxygen atom, which is bonded with double bond with the carbon atom, it will share 2 electrons to complete its octet. Talking about second oxygen atom, which is bonded with hydrogen and carbon via single bonds, this will share 1 electron of carbon and 1 electron of hydrogen to complete its octet, like this. And the remaining carbon atom will share 1 electron from the adjacent carbon atom, 2 electrons from oxygen and 1 electron from the oxygen which is attached with hydrogen, like this. So the bond line representation can be written as carbon bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms via single bond, and bonded with a carbon with a single bond, and this carbon is bonded with oxygen via double bond, and a OH group with single bonds. So this is ethanoic acid. The next part is H2S. Here we have a sulfur atom with 6 electrons in the outermost shell and 2 hydrogen atoms with 1 electron in their outermost shells. So these hydrogen atoms will share 1 electron with sulfur to complete its doublet, like this. And sulfur atom will share 1 electron from each hydrogen atom to complete its octet, like this. So bond line representation can be hydrogen, single bond sulfur, single bond hydrogen. So this is the electron dot structure for H2S. Talking about the third part, which is propanone. Propanone is CH3COCH3. So here we have 3 carbon atoms. Let us draw the first carbon atom here with 4 electrons in the outermost shell and is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms. The next carbon atom is bonded with oxygen atom via double bond, like this, and this oxygen atom has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. The third carbon atom is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms again. So each hydrogen atom here will share 1 electron with carbon to complete their doublet, like this. So this is how hydrogen will share its electrons with carbon to complete its doublet. Similarly, this carbon atom which is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms, will share 1 electron from each hydrogen and 1 electron from the adjacent carbon to complete its octet. Like this. Talking about the third one, it will be also the same. Now, oxygen atom will share 2 electrons from carbon to complete its octet, and carbon will share 2 electrons from oxygen and 1 electron from adjacent carbons to complete its octet. Like this. So, bond line representation can be carbon bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms, single bond carbon bonded with oxygen via double bond, single bond carbon bonded with hydrogens with single bonds. So this is propanone. I hope you understood the problem. See you in the next one.